All right, team, time to talk about the big one, the bartender's role. You're not just a drink slinger. You are the host, the therapist, the referee, and occasionally the late-night comedian. Let's break down exactly what this job really is and why you're basically the glue holding this entire operation together. First up, you're the host of the party every single night. Smile, greet people, make them feel like they just walked into their bar. Your vibe sets the tone. If you're grumpy, the whole bar feels it. If you're friendly and welcoming, boom, instant regulars. Yep, part of your job is to actually make the drinks. Know your recipes. Pour accurately. Don't drown a drink in booze just to impress somebody, unless they're tipping you in 20s. Quality matters, because a well-made cocktail keeps them coming back. Like it or not, you're also the unofficial therapist. People come to the bar to celebrate, to vent, to cry over breakups, and sometimes to talk to the only person who'll actually listen, you. You don't have to fix their problems, but nodding, smiling, and tossing in the occasional, "Yeah, man, that's rough," will go a long way. Every now and then, you've got to play referee. Cut people off before they turn into a problem. Break up arguments before they turn into WWE matches. Keep things safe and fun. Nobody wants a bar fight ruining their night or your tip jar. And don't forget, you're also in sales. Upsell top-shelf liquor. Suggest appetizers. Get them to try that new seasonal cocktail. Every extra sale means more tips for you and more money for the bar. Finally, you're the closer. When the night's over, you shut it down. Clean, stocked, locked, and ready for tomorrow. Think of it as putting your bar to bed. Tuck it in nice and tight so it's fresh in the morning. So yeah, you're not just slinging drinks back there. You're the host, the mixologist, the therapist, the referee, the salesperson, and the closer. Basically, you're running the whole show and doing it with a smile. Own it, rock it. And remember, a great bartender doesn't just make drinks, they make the night unforgettable.